Story time with Rain, okay?
Okay.
What is this, honey?
The river.
Okay.
This river. That's on.
This one.
That's
Look at the book first.
that's on.
Clifford
Right,
is
river
is
is on
mhm.
the farm today.
Good job. And then the next page.
He
Okay. What's this? Listens. Honey, look at the book. Listens.
the animals say.
Good job.
The cow says moo.
Okay, but this one.
The owl says ooh.
Good job.
The bird says tweet.
Good job.
The mouse says squeak.
Good job. Second. But this one.
The dog says quack.
Properly, honey.
The duck says quack.
Good job. How about this one?
The chick.
Hey, look at this. What is this?
The
Properly. What is this?
the
Cepat.
the chip
Look at this. What is this? The hand.
says clock.
What this one?
The 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 the
Come on, properly. The
the
chicks.
chip says chip.
Okay. How about this one?
The chip says ba.
Okay.
The cat says meow.
Okay. How about this one?
It's Clifford's farm
Turn.
turn now.
Good job.
What does Clifford say?
Good job.
Clifford says, whoa, whoa!
Well done. Yeah.